In the video Bouncing Balls, the teacher is helping develop the children's perceptual, motor, and physical skills. The motor skills that she helps develop is when the students are holding the ball, they also have to throw it down to bounce it. So they're learning how to use their hands and their eyes at the same time while also controlling their strength. Their physical development, for example, in the end of the video, the little boy, he almost uses his whole body to try to put strength behind the ball. He stretches as far as he can, and then he throws it down really hard to see if it'll bounce farther. That's a great way that they are developing physical skills. And then their perceptual skills, after the ball has bounced, the students then have to navigate through the playground to see how they can get around objects, to get their ball and come back to the sidewalk. I think the teacher provided a safe environment. She had an open area with not many items around. The only thing I would change would probably be to space the children out a little bit further and help protect them, keep them safe, and then also to kind of describe how to hold the ball further away from them from the beginning. Because at the beginning of the video, one of the little girls did accidentally throw the ball and it hit her in the face. Just to keep them safe, I would kind of show them, because she did show after the fact how to keep the ball further away. I probably would have shown that before. But other than that, she did a great job not only teaching their skills and helping them practice their skills by asking them small questions such as which ball bounced further, which ball was higher or lower. She also kind of showed them a ball, which helped with perception of which is smaller and which one is bigger. But other than that, she did a great job of providing a safe environment for the learning. The activity I developed is called musical motion. And so this can be done inside or outside, and it's great for ages 3 through 5. So as long as you have enough room for the students to stand in a big circle with enough space in between each student so no one can get hurt, and then the teacher to stand in the middle. The only items you'll need is a way to play some music and then a ribbon for each student. So what you do is the music helps set the scene of the story. So for example, if it's a cultural story, maybe you could provide some cultural music, or if it happens to deal with the weather, then you could provide something to help set the scene of that. So for example, if it's a rainy day outside and you have to do it inside, the story the teacher tells to help them with these activities could be based on a rain story. So she could tell them, today's a rainy day, let's hide under this awning and let's look and see if we can see the rain. And so they can hold the ribbon above their heads and look up at it. This helps with hand-eye coordination as well as just their fine motor skills. She also could say, now the wind is beginning to blow, let's create a windstorm, and they could swirl the ribbon in front of them, things like that.